Uh,
Andrews.
Yes, presumptive positive against THC around. And 3 weeks ago, he tested, it was presumptive positive THC, and then it was lab confirmed THC.
Come up, sir. What am I supposed to do?
I have no idea, sir.
Look at this exchange. Judge is absolutely relentless here. He's calling out Andrews for either ignoring the court's orders or simply not caring. And yes, Andrews does have a valid medical prescription, but the court's priority is crystal clear: compliance with the rules. This is a perfect example of how judges balance individual circumstances with the integrity of their orders. Now, I have to ask you, if you were in Andrews's shoes, would you risk your job for a prescription? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Either you're continuing to use or you just don't care about court orders. I've ordered you not to use. We're now working. When did we order him not to use? What was the day?
I've been on this case that long.
His case has been open since February. The end of February.
February 26th, Your Honor.
Say it again?
February 26th.
Yeah, February 26th. We're now April 16th.
Yeah.
I'm putting you in jail. I told you not to use. You're continuing to use.
Maybe.
Okay?
And I know how the court generally feels about the prescriptions for the marijuana, but he does have a valid prescription.
Nevertheless, I told him not to use.
He's gainfully employed judge, which when we came here previously, you had ordered him to get a job, which he did. And of course, he's brand new at the job. And if he goes into custody, he's most certain to lose that job.
Michael, I don't want him to use. What else am I supposed to do? I don't care that you're now working your second criminal case within the last year, you know? You have an assault from 23, now you've got a theft.
One more opportunity, Judge.
How long am I supposed to give him, Malcolm? Another 30 days for him to just continue smoking weed and just...
Test him in 2 weeks, Judge?
Here's where it gets really interesting. Notice how the discussion shifts to testing timelines and THC levels. The defense is trying to argue for science, for how long it stays in the system, but the judge's logic is sharp. Continued presence equals continued use. This is a critical legal point. It's not about intent, it's about measurable compliance. It's a reminder that in criminal cases, even small technicalities can make or break your freedom. Who else feels the pressure just listening to this?
Or even, I don't know if next Thursday will be too soon for for the levels to go down. I'm not really.
Do you have levels now?
No, not at this time, since there's a rapid test that needs to be confirmed in the lab, so.
If you want me to give you the benefit of the doubt of next Thursday, I will do it. You must be here Thursday. If you test positive for weed, it's not going to go well for you. I've harped on it over and over and over.
Yes, sir. Judge, and I don't know the science, is what currently in his system, would it be gone by next Thursday? Or would it still be in his system and he tests
If he
positive?
continues to smoke, then no. But by then it'll be 2.5 months. So if it's still in his system, that tells me that he's continued to smoke weed while he's on bond. You know,
Yes,
there's
sir.
only two things. It's either in your system or it's out of your system.
I don't smoke, so I got THC tinctures.
What's
I
that?
don't smoke flower. It's not a flower.
You're not supposed to use anything that has THC in it that could cause you to test positive. You know exactly what you're putting into your body. You know exactly what I've ordered you not to do. We'll put you on for this Thursday. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, you want hieroglyphics? Perhaps Mandarin? I don't know what else. I'm speaking English here. I've told you what you can and can't do. That's it. I'm going to give you the benefit because of Michael that you got until next Thursday. If you continue to test positive, it's just not going to go well. All right?
Yes,
See you
sir.
Thursday.
Thank you, Judge.
So, to wrap this up, Thanks to the attorney's quick thinking, Mr. Andrews gets a temporary reprieve, but the judge made it crystal clear. One more positive test and consequences will be severe. This case highlights the delicate balance between leniency and accountability in the courtroom and the stakes for those on bond. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.